Accused Pathway International killer further remanded in custody until June. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The case against Andre Rodot, the man who was implicated in the killing of a woman during a deadly church ritual in St. James in October 2021, is scheduled to return to the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston on June 26. The date was set when Rodot appeared in court last week. Aspects of this case are to continue to be finalized during a plea case management hearing, which has been rescheduled for the June date. He was further remanded in custody until that time. The accused man, who was a member of the Pathway International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in Montego Bay, St. James, is charged with the murder of Tanika Gardner, who was employed to Appliance Traders Limited. Rodot has been in custody for more than 3 years. The nation was left stunned by the news of a deadly suspected ritual at a church on Sunday, October 17, 2021. The members were gathered at the church on the instructions of the now deceased controversial Pastor Kevin Simit. During the event, Simit reportedly asked a member of the church to slit the throat of Gardner. The individual refused, and Rodot allegedly grabbed the knife that was in his hand and used it to slash the throat of the now deceased individual in the full view of other members of the church. Another member of the church, Michael Brown, was also killed during the night's bizarre events, which culminated with the alleged shootout between members of the church and the police. Another member, Kevon Palmer, who reportedly attacked the law enforcement officers with a knife, was shot and killed during the incident as well. Many members of the church, including Simit and Rodot, were subsequently arrested, but Rodot remains the only accused who was never charged in connection with the night's bizarre events. This after Simit died in a motor vehicle crash on Monday, October 25, 2021, on his way to Kingston, where he was supposed to be formally charged with murder. A police constable, Orlando Irons, also died as a result of the crash on the Linstead Bypass Road in St. Catherine. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.